my DIY fog chiller. Just revamping it for this year. What I did first is I drilled a 2.5-inch hole, and you can see it's great stuff. And I put a 2.5-inch black PVC pipe, and I'll go in this, and that's the floor. And then on this side, the outlet, it's 3-inch holes. And spray foam, sprayed it out, made it look black so no one was in tell. But as you can see, it all fell apart, so I got to rebuild it. That's what I'm gonna show in this video. So as you can see, the inside is pretty nasty, and I'm having a hard time getting the glue to stick from the PVC risers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to spray paint it, see if that'll help the glue stick with some auto etching primer. That has dried up all the way. I attached a 2.5-inch black PVC elbow, 90 degree, up to another 2.5-inch pipe that barely comes to where the lid's gonna sit. So the lid's gonna sit about here, and what it's gonna do is gonna fog come in, come up, go through an ice bath, and then down out through these holes, creating a cool effect. Now to create the ice shelf, I just took some hardware cloth, cut a hole in it that would fit this, and it would slide in right there, and the ice will sit on here. The thing is, we got to put some supports here to make sure that this doesn't fall down on the way to the ice. How I'm going to do that, I'm going to take this PVC, I just cut a whole bunch of lengths, and I'm going to take this Tough Stick Shear Bonder in my hot glue gun, do a little dabby dab, and then put it on, and then the hardware cloth will sit on top of that, giving me the shelf that will support all the ice. The finished project. So what will happen is the fog from the fog machine will come in here hot. Hot fog rises. So the idea of this is to cool it down. So hot fog goes in here, comes through the elbow, up the pipe, hits the lid, disperses over the ice bed. The ice bed will sit on this. The fog will seep through that, cooling it down, going out the two holes and creating ground fog. I know it's a little big, but it's the cooler I had. It's just the way I did it. There's many ways to do it, but it seemed to work well. In a minute, we'll show you how it works.